Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making spinach triangle Burek. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the spinach triangle Burek. You'll need 1 onion diced, 1 bunch of spring onions diced, 2 packages of frozen spinach that I've thawed overnight in the fridge, 1 package of phyllo pastry, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sumac, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, and some extra virgin olive oil. And this is how your spinach burek should look like. Serve it as a nice vegetarian or a vegan appetizer and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!